What's in your cup today, you guys? I will show you what's in mine. I am back with another smoothie video, you guys. I'm gonna show you how to make this cup full of green goodness today. And my main ingredient is moringa. If you're trying to boost your cells, support your immune system, you're looking for weight loss, get that boost of energy in the morning to get you up and go, you're looking to get that boost of energy in the afternoon to get you through work, a drink like this on a daily basis. So I will take you through how to make a drink like this on a daily basis. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that belly thingy. Now here is the video. Good morning, you guys. Here is what's in the cup this morning. Look at all this beauty, you all. I have my spinach. I have a fourth of a large cucumber, the juice from a half of lemon, couple small pieces of ginger right there, the juice from 2 small oranges, and I'm going to add my pumpkin seeds and my moringa. I will put water right here. Of course, as always, it's going in my Nutribullet. What is in your cup this morning? How are you boosting your immune system and supporting your cells and trying to stay healthy? But here's what's going in my cup today, you guys. Check out this babies, check out this beauty. What's in your cup today, y'all? So I try to make it as simple as I possibly can, you guys, and all I do is just grab all my fruits and my veggies, whatever it is that I'm putting in my smoothie. I just grab them and toss them in. I'm probably only going to use this amount of ginger. There we go. I'll put all my spinach in. Just try to make it very simple, you guys. And I'm going to squeeze the juice of my orange. Look at that baby. Look at how pretty that is. Of my lemon, seeds and all probably get in there. Usually if I can get the seeds out, I'll take them out. I'm the one that's drinking it, so. But if I can't, I'll just let them be. Put this last piece of ginger in, and I'm going to grab my moringa. There we go, about that amount. Grab my pumpkin seeds. Put 2 spoonfuls. And the only thing I have left to add, you guys, is my water, and water of, not of choice, but that's all I have, so. And voila, there you go, people. This will be enough for me to have some this afternoon. So, sorry about that, you all. So there we go. Put my top on, zap, zap, and I'll be ready to go. So we are ready to pour. Look at this. Look at how green. Look at how beautiful that is, you guys. And there you have it, you all. Cup full of green goodness, people. Alrighty, it's the finished drink, you guys. Let's give it a shot, see how it tastes. so delicious. Again, you guys, you're looking to lower your blood pressure, you're looking to lower your blood sugar, you're looking to lose weight, get that boost of energy in the morning to get you up and get you going, or get that boost of energy in the afternoon, you guys. This boosts your immune system, it supports your cells, it just helps to keep you overall healthy. If you get a Nutribullet, start making a drink like this on a daily basis. Look at this baby, you all. Look at this bad boy. Go get your Nutribullet or a blender, whichever you choose, and start making you a drink like this on a daily basis. Hey, what's in your cup?